Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever connected your Windows PC to Wi-Fi, but your network printer or scanner couldn't be found? The problem may not be your printer at all, it could be your network profile. In this video, I'll explain why you should set your Wi-Fi network to private and how it helps your printer and scanner communicate with your computer. Let's get started.
A public network is a network that Windows considers unsafe or shared with other people. Examples include coffee shops, airports, hotels, schools, libraries. When you choose public, Windows protects your computer by turning off network discovery, turning off file and printer sharing, hiding your PC from other devices on the network. Easy example. Imagine you're sitting in a coffee shop with 50 strangers using the same Wi-Fi. You don't want strangers to see your computer or access your files. That's why Windows uses the public network Profilet, puts your PC behind a protective barrier. What is a private network? A private network is a network that Windows considers trusted. Examples include your home Wi-Fi, your office network. When you choose private, Windows allows trusted devices on the same network to communicate with your computer. Easy example. Imagine you're at home. Your laptop, printer, scanner, smart TV, and other devices are all connected to the same Wi-Fi. Since you trust your own home network, Windows allows these devices to find and communicate with each other. That's why changing your Wi-Fi network to private is often the solution when your printer or scanner isn't detected. Now, I'll show you exactly how to change your Wi-Fi from public to private in Windows 10 and Windows 11, step by step. Step 1. Click the Start button and open Settings. Step 2. Click Network and Internet. Step 3. Click WI-FE. Step 4. Click the name of your connected Wi-Fi network. Step 5. Under Network Profile Type, select Private. Done. Your computer can now discover other trusted devices on the network, such as printers and scanners. If this video helped you, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow IT tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.